Greetings, my friends. Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here today with Red Tiger's Eye. Absolutely sensational. I got a handful of drive. It's going to be known as the Survival Stone, also known as Ox's Eye, also known as Bullseye. You see where I'm going with this? Nice masculine energy, invigorating energy, fills you up. Take on the world and do what you were put on this planet to do. And take it from me, my friends. Call me crazy, certainly wouldn't be the first. But you put this sucker by the bed, sex is gonna be out of this world. But enough of me yapping about her. Let's take a closer look at Red Tiger's Eye from Cosmic Cuts, one of which you will receive. Come along, friends. No time to waste. Yes, indeed, friends. Red Tiger's Eye. In the sun. Any way light hits it, it's got an absolutely breathtaking, luminescent hue. Looks different from every angle that you look at her. Truly incredible. Red Tiger's Eye, where to even start? What a powerful, versatile, incredibly invigorating crystal. It's got a calming, soothing, yet stimulating energy. It's gonna boost that motivation. It's gonna boost that passion. It's gonna boost that inspiration. Incredibly powerful. It's gonna raise your confidence. It's gonna raise your creativity. Help you come up with new ideas that are true to you. It's both emotionally and physically strengthening, which definitely comes into clutch. It promotes self-love and love for others as well. It's gonna be a stone of good luck, prosperity, abundance. And I wasn't kidding about the better sex. It does it in many ways. It's going to improve your connection with your partner. It's going to get rid of stress and anxiety. It's going to energize you and calm you and stimulate you at the same time. It's going to promote healthy blood flow, healthy blood in general, a good metabolism, and a healthy heart. And it's going to increase your sex drive and your performance. Mother Nature's Viagra, folks. An incredible beauty. A sensational wonder of Mother Nature. That's good for all kinds of things, including getting it on. This gemstone. More world-class healing specimens. Sage, Palo Santo, abalone shells, crystal specimens, amethyst geodes, healing collection bags. My friends, you name it. And CosmicCuts.com is going to be your one-stop shop for spiritual enlightenment. And have an incredible day with Red Tiger's Eye, getting your blood pumping and ready for the world.